Well, hello there. Seems you have found yourself to a Lynn Street video. This one here is all about putting my truck interior back together. So, grab some popcorn and welcome to Cars and Chaos. At night, it's cold. I'm in PA. It's freezing. At least to me. It's like, what, 20 degrees out here? Anyway. But you know what? We have to do what we have to do for the cars we love so much. All right, sit down. Mind you, this is not a tutorial. This is just you doing it. You doing it here with me, okay? And you know what? There's no right or wrong way to do it. As long as that end finished product is beautiful and amazing, fuck it, and it's safe, you did it your way. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, let me bring you in. Come here. 3, 4, 5, and finally 6 smaller, kind of like, oh my god, whatever they are, smaller bolts in there. All right. And let me just say this, all right? I do not, like, my grammar is terrible. Well, not like my grammar, but I just don't know the name of everything. So most things I will probably name incorrectly or call it a thingamabobber or a thingamawitch or something like that. All right, everyone's got to start somewhere. Don't come for me, just leave a helpful comment and let me know what it actually is. Thank you. But moving along, I'm gonna get these all hand screwed on, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do next at night. Some ratchet ASMR. Yeah. Look at this shit. Like, it looks better when the light, like, look. Oh my gosh. My flash is on, but, ooh, yeah, that's, gone. Alright, so this is gonna go right in here. Look at this. Articles, where did I put the frick, you know what? That 10mm is still missing. Okay, wait, whoa. Whoa, wow, I didn't see the yachty or something. Like, oh god. Alright. Oh, yeah, there she goes. Now she's clicked in there. My light is dying? Whoa. What? This is not a rave. Hello? What, can this not happen right now? Can you not? Can you literally not? Oh, no. Oh, what the fuck is this? God. I think she's dying on me. All right, pause. We're going to have to figure out a different lighting situation because this is on the charger. I literally have this whole plugged in. There's a ghost. Let's just give it a minute. All right. And my fingies are so cold. I feel like they're gonna break into a million little ice cubes that you can put in your fucking iced coffee. God damn it. Alright, now. Alright, now. Now, it needs to go on this way. But then it needs to spin and fit here. I brought myself gloves for this reason. Okay, here we go. Puppies on. I'm ready to go. All right. We're gonna just. Well,
Today, Junior.
Now she's kind of on. Let's bring this bitch up. No! This is terrible timing! No! We gotta, whoa, okay.
So my big light died, so we're using this for now. It's gonna do for right now while that charges up. Barnacles.
I was trying to keep my composure, but I'm still thinking about.
That 10mm is still missing.
I'm still thinking about. No.
Ooh, I tried to be serious. That was a whole lot of work. That was absolutely batshit boo boo caca. Fucking god dang. You know what? I'm not complaining. I'm just scared for my well-being. That's all. Feels like it did. I think we got it. Wow. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah. It feels, yes, it feels right because it is. Woo! My neighbors probably freaking hate me. This is. Okay. Ta-da! Moving on to the ceiling. My arm was getting so tired. Okay. Alright. Bazinga. You didn't even see any of that, but you hit it enough. It shall be all okay. Oh, you're still watching this shit show? It's been like 3 more hours later. Oh my, Michael Jackson. And oh my god, my arms from doing the ceiling yesterday. Oh my god, like I honestly think my calcium sticks were gonna just turn to powder. I didn't even know what to do. But it is, for the most part, all on. Carpet taco. Taco is carpet. Carpet that I folded like a taco. Boom, right there. Right there. She's out. Got it this far. But darn it, I gotta get it the rest of the way.
I'm losing light, but I'm not losing motivation. Gently, I know it don't sound gentle, but it is. As gentle as my little bony body can get. And say, yeah.
Oh my god, my heart is beating faster than a hooker in church. Jesus, take the wheel. Okay. But I got it in here, and I just gotta scoot you back and bolt it down. And I think we're in there. I think we're in there. Yeah, I think we're almost there. 8 bolts. Where is the 10mm?
No.
Okay, we actually need somebody in the comments. I like once was told what this was called. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, YouTube about to ban me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I hate when that happens. Golly. Alright. So I'm just gonna hide my finger. I don't know what this is called. I was once told, I forget. I could probably look it up. Someone, is it on there? Ah, somebody look it up. Okay, let me wipe my finger. And then I need a 13. Yeah, alright, seatbelt number 1. I mean, what am I saying? Seat bolt, man. It's a freaking bolt, man. God. I put some Pee Wee Blaster on this bitch before I did this, and yeah, it's still. And bolt 2. Three hours later. Just like that, folks. I don't like every light I own doesn't work. Like there's something God, I don't know, whatever. Here we are, folks. For right now, this is the way she looks. No dash. Dash is gonna get completed soon. All right. Well, thank you for watching, folks. This has been Lynn Street's Cars and Chaos. Till next time.